All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where English helps you move, travel, and survive real life.
And sometimes not get lost.
Exactly. Today's topic is something everyone needs at some point.
Let me guess. Directions?
Yes, asking for directions and giving directions in English.
Oh, wow. Left, right, straight. My brain turns into Google Maps, but without internet.
You're not alone. Many English learners panic when they need to ask for directions.
Especially when people answer very fast.
Good news! Direction English is simple, repetitive, and very practical. Let's imagine a real situation. You're in a new city. Your phone battery is dead.
Worst nightmare.
You stop someone on the street. You smile and say, "Excuse me."
That already sounds polite.
It is. Then you can continue with, "Excuse me, could you help me?"
And then I ask the question.
Exactly. For example, "Excuse me, how can I get to the subway station?" Or, "Excuse me, is there a coffee shop near here?"
So I don't say where is.
You can. "Where is the nearest bank?" is perfect.
What happens after that is the scary part.
Let's break it down. People usually start with something like, "Go straight," or "Turn left," or "Turn right."
Those 3 words save lives.
They really do. You might also hear, "It's on the left," "It's on the right," "It's across from," "It's next to."
I hear across from a lot.
It means on the other side. For example, "It's across from the supermarket."
What if they talk too fast?
Very important. You can politely stop them. You can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you say that more slowly, please?"
That's a lifesaver.
Also, you can check if you understood correctly. You can say, "So I go straight, then turn left."
Ah, that's smart.
Let's talk about landmarks. People often use places to explain directions, like next to the bank, near the park, behind the hospital, on the corner of Main Street and Pine Street.
Corners always confuse me.
Think of where 2 streets meet. That's the corner.
What if the place is far?
Good question. People might say, "It's about 5 minutes from here," or "It's a 10-minute walk."
That actually helps a lot.
Yes, and if it's too far, they might say, "You can take a bus," or "You should take a taxi." Now let's practice giving directions.
That's harder than asking.
Not really. You can start with, "Sure," or "Of course." Then go straight. Turn right at the traffic light. It's on the left.
Simple steps.
Let's do a short role play.
Okay. Excuse me, how can I get to the museum?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. It's across from the park.
And if I'm not sure, I can say, "So I go straight and turn right at the park?"
Perfect. One more important thing. Not every direction will be perfect.
True.
If you get lost again, just ask again. That's part of traveling.
English is about communication, not perfection.
Exactly. That's the end of today's episode. Asking for directions in English doesn't have to be stressful. With a few simple phrases and confidence, you can find your way anywhere.
And maybe even enjoy getting lost.
Thank you for listening to All English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep asking questions, and we'll see you in the next episode.